Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best small fan with clip that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Clip Convertible Tabletop and Clip Fan. Enjoy 2 quiet speeds to suit your preference without disrupting family, roommates, or your sleep. This fan conveniently converts from a clip-on fan to a tabletop fan so you can enjoy its features at your desk or from any other preferred angle in your space. Customize the direction of airflow and cooling with the adjustable head for times when you need to move around the room or to accommodate more than one person. The strong and sturdy grip clamp keeps this fan firmly in place, which ensures that airflow is being directed to the desired location and doesn't slip or fall. This fan is easy to adjust. To switch from tabletop to clip-on and back, simply loosen the butterfly screw on the fan head and attach the base of your preference. At number 4. Hurricane Classic Series Clip Fan. Hurricane Classic Series Clip Fan is a relatively new and late entrant in the market but surprisingly has surpassed Beyond Home's convertible desk and clip fan, which have been in market longer than anyone. Hurricane Classic Series Clip Fan brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Hurricane Classic Series Clip Fan is what has kept in the market. The versatile mounting position puts the fan wherever it's needed. Fan features an adjustable tilt mechanism that changes the fan's positioning and direction. The 6-inch Hurricane Classic Clip Fan is portable comfort that easily mounts wherever it's needed to provide quality airflow with reliable performance, ideal for homes, greenhouses, garages, gyms, and workshops and more. At number 3. HONYIN USB-powered Stroller Fan. This fan does not carry a battery clip. Stand 2-in-1 design means you can position or hang the fan at any of your desirable places. 2.5 inches maximum clip opening. Use it anywhere and anytime. Great for baby stroller, golf cart, barbecue, camping, dormitory, mower, etc. 3 speeds available. Built-in advanced brushless motor with faster operating speed. Feel the blast of the strong airflow from 10 feet away. You can adjust it to the most comfortable wind speed. The running sound could be less than 20 decibels when working at minimum speed. It is quieter than that flipping a book. The maximum working decibel is just 40 decibels, which will not disturb your sleep, work and study. The camping fan supports 360-degree vertical and horizontal adjustment. Great for air circulating from various angles and directions. Keep you cool all the time. A must-have appliance for home, office, outdoor in hot summer. At number 2. Lasko FBA 2004W2 Speed Clip Fan. This versatile little fan can be placed almost anywhere you need to feel a cooling breeze. The attached spring-loaded clip holds tightly without marking surfaces, while the adjustable tilt and 360 degrees rotation allow you to move it into almost countless positions. Need a wall mount fan? No problem. Just use the keyhole mount for simple wall hanging. Features 2 quiet speeds and a large, easy grip control for convenience. Lasko's Quiet No 2004W 6-inch clip fan tilts and pivots to direct airflow where needed for personal cooling comfort. Made in the USA from domestic and imported parts. Lasko. 100+ years of quality, comfort and durability. Finally at number 1. Vornado Pivot 3C Compact Air Circulator Clip-on Fan. The Pivot 3 clip's small footprint, robust clamp design and integrated cord clip respect your space while providing 3 speeds of vortex whole room circulation. A modernly designed pivoting head is only outdone by the swiveling chrome bar that allows you to direct the airflow at any angle. Combine that with the peace of mind of the Vornado 5-year promise, and the Pivot 3 clip is the perfect clutter-free companion by your side. Pivot, grip, swivel. Open up the possibilities with the Pivot 3 clip from Vornado. A Vornado circulator creates a unique airflow pattern called vortex action to circulate all the air around you. From the office to the laundry room, The compact circulator keeps the space you're in comfortable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.